Congress's vote chori claim has now exploded after Rahul Gandhi claimed vote chori. Now BJP has launched a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi. BJP has alleged that Rahul Gandhi's vote chori is a toolkit that was made in Myanmar and that a few foreign bodies are now controlling the narrative of the opposition. The BJP also accused Rahul and Congress of being a danger to the democracy. Now, the Congress was quick to hit back at BJP. The Grand Old Party claimed that the difference in time in the PDF that was submitted was because of the software glitch. Remember, BJP raised this issue only that the 3 PDFs that were shown in the presentation by Rahul Gandhi actually had a timestamp of Myanmar, the Myanmar time zone. So, the Congress even said that there was no proof of any foreign interference. Congress MP Rahul Gandhi reiterated his hydrogen bomb attack on BJP, saying that it would explode soon. He even said that the BJP was only forming governments in various states because of vote chori.
ये कोई पहली बार नहीं है कि राहुल गांधी जी को भारत के बाहर से कोई प्रेरणा मिली हो भारत में भारत की संवैधानिक संस्थाओं पर सवाल और ट्रस्ट डेफिसिट क्रिएट करने के लिए। तो सवाल ये बनता है राहुल गांधी जी से कि क्या दरअसल जो आप ये डायलॉग बोल रहे हैं सेव डेमोक्रेसी, पर ये सेव डेमोक्रेसी नहीं, ये भारत के अंदर इंटरफियर विद आवर डेमोक्रेसी का एजेंडा लेकर किसी फॉरेन हैंड से तो आप गाइडेड नहीं हैं कठपुतली की तरह। सवाल यह बनता है कि डायलॉग तो यहां पर आप दे रहे हैं, पर इसकी स्क्रिप्ट और पटकथा लिख कौन रहा है बाहर से?
महाराष्ट्र में, हरियाणा में, कर्नाटक में इलेक्शन चोरी किया गया है। हमने ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट सबूत दिया बेंगलोर सेंट्रल का। आने वाले समय में हम और एक डायनामिक एक्सप्लोसिव आपको सबूत देने वाले हैं। पूरे देश में नारा चल रहा है, वोट चोर गद्दी छोड़ का नारा चल रहा है, आग जैसे फैल रहा है, क्योंकि सच्चाई है और हम आपको दिखाएंगे। हिंदुस्तान के युवा, आप अच्छी तरह सुनिए, सच्चाई है कि वोट चोरी करके सरकारें बन रही हैं। हम गारंटी करके आपको प्रूफ देने वाले हैं। धन्यवाद। नहीं, ये जो बीजेपी के लोग एजिटेट हो रहे हैं, मैं उनसे कहना चाहता हूं, आप एजिटेट नहीं होइए, क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन बम जब आएगा सारा का सारा साफ हो जाएगा।
Joining us now is India Today's Aishwarya Paliwal, live from Delhi. Aishwarya, it seems that while we wait for Rahul Gandhi to finally come out with his hydrogen bomb, BJP has started targeting and trying to dismantle the narrative of vote chori that Congress is trying to build.
Well, definitely, and this is not the first time we are seeing. We all saw that 2.5-hour long presentation, which was done by Rahul Gandhi, after which the Election Commission had to do a long press conference clarifying everything that Rahul Gandhi had said. And now he's saying that he has a hydrogen bomb. And this hydrogen bomb will make it very clear, because earlier, what the Congress did, they were speaking about one state, but this time they are saying that they have data from other states as well. The BJP, however, pinpointing and saying that the timing and the time zone with regards to where the presentation actually has been made, that time zone is Malaysia. And Malaysia is the place where Rahul Gandhi was just 3 days back. So the BJP doing 2+2 and saying that this is a presentation which has not even been made in India, not even been made by the Congress party. They're pointing fingers and saying that there
Aishwarya, I'm sorry to interrupt. The time zone is Myanmar, I believe, not Malaysia, is it?
Yeah. Sorry. It's Myanmar, and that's what BJP at the moment is pointing towards, that this is a presentation which you are saying that you have made. But if you very clearly look at the place where this has been made, it is not in India. So if it's not in India, then how can you say that all those claims that you have been making till this point are true? The BJP pointing fingers and trying to dismantle the whole hydrogen bomb narrative that Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party has been speaking about.
Right. Thank you, Aishwarya, for those details. So clearly, BJP has found opportunity to target Rahul Gandhi because of the timestamps or the time zone that is seen on the PDFs that he only presented in his vote chori claim.